Welcome everyone on today's Metal3 Community meeting. My name is Adam Rosman. I will be your host today. Please remember that the meeting is recorded. And as always, we would start with the introductions. But as I see, there are no new participants, so we can skip that. Two reminders for today. One is that mainly for the people who will watch this on YouTube, that if you think your organization would benefit from adding itself as an adopter for Metal3, please feel free to do so. We would be very happy. And then the other one is that what we discussed, I think once already, that Kashif pushed this guidelines for contributing to BMO. I know a few people already checked it. Please feel free to review this and approve it if you see fit. There is no agenda point for today. Is there anything from you that is not on the empty agenda, but you would like to talk about? Okay, if nothing, then we can go to check the triaging. I already started checking this and there is not much. I think just for the sake of the recording, I will go through this once more very quickly. So there was the BMO Lucy state issue. We seen it multiple times, and I contacted the person here under the issue and mentioned that we cannot really reproduce it without intentionally breaking the BMO or actually ironic database. So we would we would be interested to see that what was the solution, was there a solution or something, know a bit more about what caused this problem, but there were no answer. There was no answer. And then there was the auto discovery from the same person, but no communication so far. Furkat CC'd the person, but no information. The next one was the control plane provisioning doesn't complete. This this was something that we started the discussion, but it is again silent for 2 weeks now, or even more actually, since August. So no progress on this one, and it won't be accepted. There is the BMH deletion. Here I gave an alternative solution or a workaround and answered the issue, but no response. And then this is one that should be already accepted, because there is already work on it, and we agreed that okay, it's fine. But for some reason the PRAO is working today a bit weirdly, I think, and the labels are not correctly assigned. But this is actually an accepted issue. Or I might just have a typo, but I don't think so.
You might need a hyphen between the triage and accept.
I actually did it first with that and didn't help, and I checked on other repo, and it's just this.
Okay, let me check.
Yeah, please do so. Might be something with my permissions, but usually it worked. Yeah. So that's it for the needs triage label. There is actually nothing to do here. Then the stale, I went also ahead and checked this one too. The ironic listening on all interfaces. This is an old issue, and we actually think it can be closed, but there was no response from the original issuer, and it will be closed anyway by the bot. So if there is no issue from the original issuer, then or no problem from this person, then it will be gone. The next one is related to the user guide, which I have to do, and I again try to remove the lifecycle stale here because yeah, this is an active thing, but it's just didn't happen. So as I said, probably some pro stuff going on or something with GitHub. This is something that I think can be re-enabled. This is a very long description. This is an old issue from beginning of the year written by Leonard when he wrote these bunch of suggestions how to improve the devenv, and there is now some devenv improvement happening on the side, but not specifically related to this upgrade. And I think it can be still useful, even though in the future we will transition to use the E2E more and more, and we are actually doing it already. And at some point, this old format of feature tests will go away completely. But still, the devenv has to pool resources and build things locally. So this would be still very nice to have. And I will just put here again that remove the stair, because I think it's still something that we want to have. I mean, every improvement is good for the devenv. And we actually discussed this many times before, this issue. Okay. Then is the BML also state. This is also in the needs triage, so we don't need to check. And then this one actually something that can be closed, because Kashif has done the branch renaming for the hardware classification controller. So this can go away. And with that, we are also done with the stale things. We can still check the frozen. And if you have anything to add, please just interrupt me. And I just want to go through this quickly because we don't have that much thing. So there are two actual frozen. One is the splitting up the components. This was something that we discussed maybe a month ago, 3 weeks ago, that yeah, this is a good idea and could be useful for certain organizations who have strict limits on how many application can or how many container can rely on the same container image, but it is not a priority. And I think nobody said anything since, so it stays frozen. And then there is the devenv apt key. This is something that is not frozen in my opinion, just because it was discussed inside the ESJ team between me and Leonard and between like the whole team, and this has to be fixed and will be fixed, and I think there is already someone working on it. So at some point expect a PR related to this. So I think the frozen can be removed here. I think I will also CC Leonard here. Let me check just quickly the participants list. Adil, was that you who started working on or who got this assigned?
Me?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm asking. I don't remember who was the one who got this issue.
No, I wasn't working on this.
Not before, but recently. But okay, if
App key. No, I'm not. Maybe Hui. I don't remember.
yeah, maybe could be. Okay, I will CC here Leonard, and he will know anyways that who got this issue to fix. Yeah, thanks. Okay, so this was all the frozen, and with this we have actually finished. Oh no, we have the help wanted. Yeah, sorry. So help wanted. Let me quickly see. Is there anything new on the help wanted? Some of the documentation for the user guide, that's well known. This is the one that I tried to remove the stale from to improve the upgrade. Check the cloudiness status. Again, old, same dev improvement. Other dev improvement, which is old. Provider ID, good first issue. This, yeah, this is known. Storage error. Okay, so nobody actually has a solution for this, so it's still up for grabs. This might be one of the more interesting ones, these storage errors. So if you have time, please check this. Who accepted this? Me. Okay, so it was also triaged in one of the meetings. Good. And okay. And log report template, that's two things that who is working on. So I will remove the helps from here. I think it was help remove. Let me check quickly the labels. But I actually can remove it later after the video for this too, because we got assigned to these last two, so these won't be needing help. So that's it. A few old dev improvement PRs that would need help. Few user guide, but I mentioned the last time that most of these are actually assigned to people. I was just unable to remove the help wanted. I think I even tried at some point, or maybe just.
Adam, I just removed it. And usually,
Okay.
if you check the labels on the issue, you should have the list of all labels available.
Yeah, you're right. You remove the Hui ones, okay. But you are not removing with the command. You are doing it with like elevated privilege. Is there now some issue with the Pro then?
No, with this, we should. Yeah, I did it with the UI, not the command. But with the command also, you should be able to do that. And for that, you have to check the prow command that I can.
Yeah, I can.
The prow dashboard.
Check. Yeah.
Yes.
1 sec. Yeah, the Pro dashboard. Sure. Yeah, bit.
Looks like it's remove dash help.
Remove dash help. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's either slow, but it haven't removed other things that I wanted, like triages, anything. Like it's not reacting to me at all today.
Yeah, so the IP address manager issue that you tried to accept the triage, I quickly checked the project info and it seems that triage label is not enabled on the repo. So we have to add that.
It's not enabled, but then okay, it's
for the IPAM.
For the IPAM. Huh.
Yes.
Okay, good to know. Okay, then we will fix that at some point. Yeah, but it's still not reacting to me. Okay, it's probably, I would still say that's probably something with the browser because it's not reacting to me at all, and it's dev. So never mind. We will discuss this later. So I think I think this is all. Like, let me just quickly check. Was there anything left on the list? No. So basically, few dev improvements. This would be the interesting one or the important one. This storage failure, if somebody is interested. And then everything else seemed to be. Oh, there is. Yeah, either being started or discussed or like the communication has broken down. So nothing new with the help wanted. These are all things. Okay. Is there any issues, suggestions, problems that you want to discuss or something you want to add to the agenda? Okay, if not, then thanks for your time, and we will meet next week. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. Thanks, Adam.
Thank you.